Hazrat Warrad, the scribe of Mughira bin Shoba, reports that Hazrat Mughira bin Shoba radiyallahu anhu made me write in a letter to Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say after each obligatory prayer, "There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He is one and has no partner. His is the kingdom, and to him alone is all praise, and he has power over all things. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, there is no one who can prevent whatever you bestow, and there is no one who can give what you withhold. And the wealth of any rich can give him no advantage against your will." Shoba has reported from Hazrat Malik in the same way. Hakam reported it from Qasim bin Mukhaymira, and he from Warrad. Hasan Basri radiyallahu anhu says, Al-Jaddu means affluence. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 844.